Yeah. You can't even see the Juarez Mountains. 1080p? That's nice.
Oh, you take that little flip on the side.
Oh, that's too fast. Will it adjust or no?
Oh no, Princess Green.
Oh yeah, it does.
You start to stabilize. It's a pretty decent sound. Not bad, huh?
Not bad at all. Ya se fueron los pájaros, güey.